Hello guys, so today my mom got a Vox for me. She technically got two, but I'm gonna show you this one. It's gonna go over my kibble. It's really good. Nature's recipe. The other one is milk bones, and she got something for herself. She said that this was stinky, but I think it's her that's stinky. Cause I liked how it smells, and I'm the one that's gonna eat it, not her. So I don't know what she's talking about. Anyways, she mixed it in with my kibble so I can finish my kibble in one sitting, but that's not gonna work because I like to take my time and I eat when I want. Anyways, she mixed it in. It was really good. I liked it. So if I like it, your puppy might like it. She said that it was stinky, and then my dad said that it was kind of stinky. So I don't know what they're talking about. I liked it. I finished all my kibble in one sitting. And yeah, if you think you'll like this, I think you will. Don't listen to your parents when they say it's kind of stinky because it's not, it's them. They're the stinky ones. But yeah, I really liked it. It was very tasty. It has some broth and some peas. And yeah,